Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at CVS because we are about to get into some more deals this week. I told you guys on Sunday, this was a really good week. And when deals are really hot at CVS, I like to take full advantage and we like to do 2 trips. So this is going to be round 2 today at CVS. Now, if you haven't watched Sunday's video with our big haul, definitely still watch that because that's going to be a lot of different deals from the ones that I'm going to show you today. So you know how I do. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into these deals. So first deal I decided to do was on the L'Oreal skincare. Now this deal also includes Neutrogena and Olay, so keep that in mind in case you have better coupons for Neutrogena or Olay products. I had 3 different CVS coupons for L'Oreal facial care. I had 2 $5 off the Age Perfect and a 40% off coupon that I wanted to use, so I decided to focus my deal on L'Oreal. So since we needed to pick up $45 worth, the 2 items that I decided to pick up were this Age Perfect Rosy Tone Moisturizer. This is $26.99. And then I also picked up one of these moisturizers down here because I really like the way this product looked. So I wanted to try this out. This was $19.99. So both of these products total us up to $46.99. That is enough now to get back that $15 extra buck. I used a $4 manufacturer coupon for this product and a $2 manufacturer coupon for this product. And I also used my 3 CVS coupons. We had the 2 $5 off and we had that 40% off that's going to deduct $12.40. Now, when you're calculating a percentage off at CVS, remember that the percentage off is only going to come off of the amount left after your CVS coupons are deducted. So after the $5 comes off and after our manufacturer coupons come off, we're going to get 40% off of that amount. So that's why we're only getting $12.40 off of these products. This is also why you don't want to use any extra bucks to pay for a deal where you're going to use a percentage off coupon, because that will also reduce the amount. So here is a close-up of my receipt for this transaction. So I got the 2 skincare products. I used those 2 manufacturer coupons, the 2 $5 coupons, and then my percentage off coupon. That left me to pay $18.58 out of pocket, and I did place that $18.58 on a Fetch Rewards gift card. So $18.58, and then I got back the $15, making these 2 items a final cost of $3.58. Now, because this deal is a higher out of pocket, if I did not have a gift card to pay with, I may not have done this deal. But because I did have those Fetch Rewards to play with, I did not mind rolling that Fetch money into CVS money. And I also want to give a special shout out to Fetch Rewards. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, but I actually won a runner-up prize on one of their Instagram contests this month, and I got 100,000 free Fetch points added to my account as the prize for being a runner-up. So if y'all don't follow them on Instagram, definitely do so and enter their contest because they are real, you guys. So this is actually a really free deal for me because my 100,000 Fetch points were completely free from winning that prize. The next skincare deal I am going to do is on the Micellar Water by Garnier. So I'm going to grab 2 more of these makeup removing wipes. These are $7.79, so 2 of them is going to total us up to $15.58. We're going to use 2 $3 CRTs and 2 $2 manufacturer coupons. That's going to leave us to pay $5.58 at the register, but then we're going to get back a $5 extra buck for picking up 2, making 2 of these only 58 cents. If you don't have manufacturer coupons for the Garnier, another option is to use your CRT on these small travel size bottles of the micellar water. So those $3 coupons will apply to this product that is $4.69. So if you have 2 of the $3 coupons, you can grab one of these for completely free. The next skincare deal I'm gonna grab is on the Cetaphil. So I have a total of 3 different CVS coupons. I have two $4 CRTs and a $2 in-app coupon, which are gonna give me $10 in savings that I can apply to any Cetaphil product. So if I wanted to, what I could do is just grab a $10 Cetaphil product for completely free with no other coupons being required. So like I could grab these wipes right here for $9.99, and those would be completely free after my coupons. The cashier would have to hit the apply button since you would have more coupons than you do have in product. So it's going to have to be reduced down by a penny to make this item free. So just keep that in mind. If one of your coupons is not coming off, your cashier does need to apply it. Or if you're at self-checkout, you should be able to apply it yourself. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pick up one of these Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleansers right here. So these are $14.49. So I'm just going to be using this $4 coupon from the Cetaphil email list and that $10 in CVS coupons. And I'm just going to grab this big 16-ounce facial cleanser for 49 cents. Now keep in mind, you can also make a deal with the buy one, get one free coupon. Like you could grab 2 of these Cetaphil wipes with that buy one, get one free coupon. Your coupon should pay for one of the wipes and then your CRT should pay for the other one, making those completely free. Next deal up, we're going to grab a really good deal on the new Dove products, the Dove Body Love. So I'm going to do this deal that's buy one, get one 50% off. And then when you buy 3, you're going to get back $5 in extra bucks. This deal is a limit of 1 per card, so keep that in mind. So I'm going to grab a total of 4 of these Dove products. These are $10.99 and buy one, get one 50% off. We're going to be using these $4 manufacturer coupons that came out in Sunday's Unilever. All right, you guys, so let's work out the math together on this Dove deal. So we're going to get a total of buy one, get one 50% off on these products, which means we're going to pay $10.99 3 times. So we are going to go ahead and do that $10.99 times 3. That's going to total us up to $32.97. I am going to be using a 4 off of 25 body wash CRT. I have a $2 Dove CRT, and we're going to use a total of $16 in manufacturer coupons, 2 $4 coupons on each product. So let's deduct off that $16. So at the register, we're going to pay $10.97, but then we're going to get back a $5 extra buck, making it $5.97 for all 4 products. So let's divide that up by 4. And you guys, these are going to be just $1.49 each. The next thing we're going to grab is this moneymaker on the Garnier Fructis. We did this deal on Sunday. So these are 2 for $7. When you buy 2, you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. We got the $3 digital that is going to double dip with this $3 off of 2 paper coupon, leaving us to pay just $1 but getting back 3, making 2 of these a $2 moneymaker. Now, if you don't want to use paper coupons, you could also grab 2 of these treatments right here, 2 for $7, and use the $5 off of 2 digital. We also have a paper coupon if you want to use that. That would leave you to pay $2 and get back 3, making 2 of these a $1 moneymaker. Next deal up, I'm going to grab some free Skintimate razors. So these are spend $15, get a $5 extra buck. I'm going to pick up a total of 3 of these for $20.97. We're going to use 3 of the $4 manufacturer coupons that did expire on 3/12, and I have a 4 off of 2 CRT. That's going to leave me to pay just $4.97 for 3 packs, and then we're going to get back a $5 extra buck, making 3 of them completely free. All right, you guys, so it is time for me to go up and do my next transaction. We got some high-end products in this haul. So I have all of my paper coupons pulled over there. I'm going to be rolling about $22 in extra bucks. Let's see how this deal works out.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun
right, you guys, that was so good. Let me show you a close-up of our receipt. So there's the Garnier, there's the Skintimate, there is the Dove products, there's the Garnier, and then there is the Cetaphil. So here are all of our manufacturer coupons for that deal. Everything came off perfectly. There is all of my CRTs, they all came off, and then I rolled in $22 in extra bucks. Just like we said, I just used two $10 Care Pass rewards. So after rolling in that $22, that did leave my balance at $1. I placed that on a gift card, so that was $23 out of pocket, and then we did get back $18. So we got back $5 for the Dove deal, we got back $5 for the Chic deal, we got back $5 for the Garnier, and we also got back $3 for the Garnier Fructis. So in these first two transactions, we have spent about $8.58 out of pocket. So y'all know now it's time to do some money makers to make some of that money back up. So the first thing I'm gonna grab in this next transaction is an easy freebie if you have this CRT. So I have a $3 CRT for a Bliss product, and it does work on the sheet mask. So I'm gonna grab one of these. These are $2.10 this week. They're $4.19, but they are 50% off. So I'm gonna grab one of these for free using that $3 CRT. It will be reduced down to the $2.10, or you could grab two of them. That'll be $4.20 minus that $3 CRT. You could grab two for $1.20. The next deal I'm going to grab is this moneymaker on the Dove hair care. This is going to help us pay for some of the products that we have picked up today. So we're going to do the buy 3 get 5 deal again. Or keep in mind this deal is a limit of 1 per card. So these are 2 for $9. I'm going to pick up 4 of them for $18. So these 4 are going to total me up to $18. I have two $5 off of 2 printable coupons, and I'm going to be using a $3 CVS coupon for Dove hair care and a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT. That's going to leave me to pay just $1 out of pocket and then get back 5, making 4 of these a $4 moneymaker. If you also have that $1 Dove hair care CRT, you can make these a $5 moneymaker. And remember, if you don't have the printable coupons, you can also use the 3 off of 2 that you can find in Sunday's inserts. So the next thing I'm going to grab is one of these Pampers wipes. So these are $3 a piece on sale this week. And we do have that Good Skin MD CRT that is still attaching to these products, making one of them completely free. So you want to scan in your app if you have that CRT to make sure that you have the right one that will attach. But this is a very nice freebie. So one deal I forgot to bring my coupon for was on the Biore. So these products down here, let me grab one of these. Oh, that looks a little wrecked. We're gonna grab another one. But these right here are $5.59. I have a $3 CRT, and I also have a $2 manufacturer coupon that I left at home. So that would leave me to pay 59 cents, but then you want to submit back on Ibotta for $1.50 in cash back. That would make one of these not only free, but a 91-cent moneymaker. All right, you guys, so I'm about to go up and do my next transaction. In this transaction, I'm only going to be using these 3 paper coupons. I'm not even going to be rolling any extra bucks into this deal because I should only have a balance of a couple dollars. Let's see how this deal works out. All right, you guys, so here is a close-up of my receipt for that transaction. Everything worked out perfectly. So we didn't use any extra bucks for this transaction. We used those 3 paper coupons, and then there is my digital for the Garnier, and then there are all of my CRTs. They all came off, and that Bliss CRT was reduced down to make that mask completely free. So we paid $2 plus tax out of pocket, but we did get back $8 for this deal. $5 for the Dove, and then we also got back $3 for the Garnier Fructis. So that transaction was a $6 moneymaker. The next that we're going to grab is some free Cerave healing ointment. So I'm going to grab 2 of these healing ointments that are $9.99. That is going to total me up to $19.98 for 2 of them. I have $12 in Cerave CRTs, and we're also going to use 2 of the $4 printable coupons from the Cerave website. That should cover the entire balance, making 2 of these completely free. The next deal I'm grabbing is another buy 3 get get 5 deal. I have been working these deals this week. This is such a good situation. So we're gonna pick up a total of 4 of these deodorants that are all priced at $6.99. So 4 of them are gonna total us up to $20.97. For the degree, I'm going to be using the 4 off of 2 paper coupon that should double dip with the 2 off of 2 digital. For the Dove men's, I am going to be using 2 of the $3 manufacturer coupons. All of these coupons are from our Unilever insert. I also have a $2 degree CRT. So after all of my coupons, I should pay $6.97 at the register, but then I should get back a $5 extra buck, making all 4 of these only $1.97 or 49 cents a piece. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my very last transaction. I'm not going to use any extra bucks for this deal because I don't have an extra buck that is small enough. I'm just going to be using those paper coupons that you see right there and a 4 off of 40 coupon. This should be a money maker for us, so let's see how this deal works. One thing I forgot to mention was this cute little Pantene. So these that you can find up at the front of the store, they are like the travel size, are $3.19. But we have a $3 digital that does work on this, making it only 19 cents. All right, you guys, so that was another good transaction. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So here is the degree and the Cerave. So you see all of these M's by the degree. Well, that is because she had to price modify the degree because the shelf said $6.99 for all of these still, but the price has actually changed today in my store to $7.99. So keep that in mind in case the price has changed at your location too, that those may ring out for $7.99. But since the shelf still said $6.99, she did give it to me at that buy one get one free for $6.99. So our math still came out good. So here is all of the coupons that we used. Let me zoom in on that. Everything came off perfectly. We spent out a total of $2.30 for this deal after all of our coupons were applied, and then I did get back the $5 for the deodorant deal. So this transaction came out free plus a $2.70 moneymaker. All right, you guys, so this is our complete round 2 haul from CVS, and we did pretty doggone good if I say so myself. So you guys, this all came out completely free. In our first transaction for the L'Oreal, we spent a total of $3.58 after we got our extra bucks back. In that second transaction, we spent out $5. In our third transaction, we made a total of $6. And in our fourth transaction, we made $2.70. So that $8.70 completely covered the first 2 transactions, making this entire haul completely free $99, which is our favorite price. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you as a part of my coupon family. I thank you all so much for watching today's video, and as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.